Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 28 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. And today we're going to be looking at exercises 40 and 41, which are triplet ascending and descending scales. And these are a bit tricky, so get ready.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
When looking at these two exercises, I really want you to start to feel the kind of riskiness of the rhythm and allow that vivacity of the rhythm to infuse the energy of the line so that you're not just focusing note to note, but now we're starting to get that momentum that gives the energy to the line and also keeps the muscles free and flexible so that they're not locking into position. So this is a really great exercise to not take too fast, but keep it at a brisk tempo to really feel that influence of the rhythm. And here is exercise 40. Exercise 41 is a little bit trickier because we have that onset that we have to do very quickly and then continue in the cycle. So don't feel discouraged if this feels like a little bit hard to master at first. I want you to feel the suspension of your breath before you onset onto the upper note. I was going to say attack, but I thought let's not attack. Before you onset, feel that suspension of the breath and then the chords come together very lightly. You're not holding, so if there's a feeling of grabbing at the chord level, you don't want that either. But you don't want to feel the impulse of the breath on the chord when you're starting. Okay, you want to feel that the breath is underneath, then the chords articulate, and then you go. Exercise 41.